Hi, you are welcome to another Microsoft Word tutorials, and in today's tutorials we are going to learn how to encrypt our Word document or place a password on our Word document so that if the next time you want to access this document we have to enter a password to open this file. And I have a previous video on how to encrypt your Word file which use a different approach, and I'm going to have the link in the description below, and also going to place the end screen in this video. So after watching this video you click on that to watch and see how to encrypt your Word document. Now this is my Word document and I have this content in this Microsoft Word application, and this document is very confidential to me and I want to have some encryption on it so that it will prevent other people I'm working with in the organization or any institution or be in the house to access this file. I don't want anybody to have contact with this Word document, so I want to place encryption on this. Now to do this, let's click on File, and when you click on File you have this backstage view, and we are going to select the info command. You have this interface related to the info command, and in this interface we have this option as protect document, and the screen tip says control what types of changes you can make to this document. And I'm going to click on this drop down arrow. We have these options under the protect document, and I'm going to select this encrypt with password because I want to protect the entire document. So let's have a once click on it. Now you are going to have this dialog box that says encrypt document, and this dialog box is demanding for a password, so you just key in a password which you can easily remember because these passwords are case sensitive. If you miss any letter when it comes to entering the password, you are not going to get the accessibility of this document. So whatever password you key in into the dialog box, you need to remember or write it somewhere safer. Then after typing the password you click on OK. You get this dialog box once again and it says encrypt the content of this file. So you are going to re-enter the password, then you click on OK. Now we have this yellowish background given to this protect document, which signifies that we have encrypted this Word file. Now let's go back to our front stage view and close this Word program. Now it says, do you want to save this file? Let's choose yes. Now I have closed this file and this is the Word file we just encrypted. Now if I open this file, I need to enter a password. So select this file and choose open, and it says enter password to open this file. So you type your password, then you click on OK, and this will quickly open your Word document within Microsoft Word application. So this is how to encrypt your Word file using the info command under the file menu. Hope this video was helpful. Please give it a like and would like to see your comments. See you in the next video.